The first thing I've done is prime my eye with any primer of your choice. I'm using Smashbox Photo Lid Primer. I'm taking the Jumbo pencil in Black Bean. I'm going to apply this to my lash line very thinly, just about halfway. I am taking a 217 brush and I'm going to soften that out and blend it. And we're going to go for a cat eye, so we're going to make it into a C. Once you get out to there, you're going to pull it up very softly. With a pencil brush, I am going into a super dark brown shadow. It is matte. I am taking this and I'm going to place this on the crease. Next, with a flat shader brush, I am taking a really deep bronze. Has a lot of gold in it, but it's more on the bronze side. I'm taking that onto my brush. I'm going to apply this just above the dark brown. Take a soft blending brush and you're going to blend out that top color. Next, with another flat shader brush, I am taking a really light gold. This is going to go right in the center where there's not any black shadow. And you're going to bring a little bit of that onto your brow bone, just barely. Next, with a pencil brush, I am going into a matte black, just looks like that. We're going to tap this by our lower lash line, and you're going to follow the black base that you had put down. Once you have your eye lined, you're going to start flicking it up into the crease, keeping with that C shape. Once again, you're going to take a blending brush and you're going to lightly blend the black shadow you just placed down. Blend it into your crease. I'm going back into the dark brown just to define my crease a little bit better and fix up any of the colors that need to be deepened. For eyeliner, I'm using L'Oreal Liner Intense in Carbon Black. It is a felt tip liner. I'm going to line my top lash line. You're going to go in all the way to the inner corner. Once the eyeliner is placed down, I'm going to take some more of the black shadow and we're going to deepen this black part, and you'll just tap on top of the eyeshadow just to, or on the liner, just to deepen it. Bottom waterline, I am using Max Feline. Just place this in your waterline. I am taking that dark brown eyeshadow and you're going to smudge this under your lash line. Next, I'm taking a small smudger brush with a cream shadow on it. This you're going to apply on your lower lash line so that brown does not fade. And you're also going to put it just in your eyebrow bone, on your eyebrow bone. Lastly, I'm going to be using CoverGirl Lash Blast Fusion Mascara on top and bottom lash line. Alright, this is the final look of the eyes, and here's what they look like up close. Just a great smoky cat eye. I will zoom out so you can see how it looks further back. Alrighty, so that's what they look like. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and thank you so much for holding this contest. Congratulations again. And that's about it, so I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.